tool.
Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to take you through the installation of an AXP skid plate on my Tenere 700. I chose this skid plate because it has some protection for the water pump as well as the linkage, and it was much more substantial than the stock skid plate. Removal is pretty easy. There's 4 8mm bolts that come off fairly simple. Take care to lower it down. Mine was full of a bunch of dirt and mud. I'm sure yours will be real similar. Unpackaging was pretty simple. It's just a giant plastic bag with a skid plate and some bolts and fasteners. Quick look at the skid plate, and you can see the heat shield tape, shock linkage extension, and the water pump extension. The instructions are a little bit hard to follow. I tried to use the QR code for the video. Pretty straightforward to figure out. Noticed that the pillar at the back had these cutouts for these retainers. They popped them in the back. Grab the collar and the bolt and the nut and head to the bike. There's a hole in front of the shock linkage that the retainer and bolt go through. The side's a little tight, the exhaust is pretty close. You can feed the other collar up into the hole, slide the bolt through, and tighten down the nut. Installation's pretty easy. You grab the 2 supplied 8mm bolts and hang the front. Leave everything a bit loose and do a final tighten after all the fasteners are installed. Next, you need a number 4 Allen key to install the 4 bolts for the rear. Give everything a final torque, and you're done. I found the fitment on the water pump a bit tight, as well as on the engine case on the left-hand side. So I found some adhesive-backed foam. Cut a few small pieces, stuck one to the engine guard, and the other on the skid plate on the right-hand side to protect the water pump. And that's it, all done. Thanks for watching my video. Please poke around the channel and give a thumbs up to anything else you like.